Good morning, guys. This is Rajnish Tiwari. I am teaching in third year for the sixth semester, and this is the unit 4. The topic is salad and salad dressing. Okay, so first we know about what is salad. Okay, so salad is a mixture of cold food, usually including vegetable and the fruit, often with the dressing, occasionally nuts and the croutons. Okay, sometime with the addition of the meat, fish, pasta, cheese and whole grains. Salad is often served as an appetizer before a large meal. जब भी हम सैलेड सर्व करते हैं वो लार्ज मील से पहले सर्व करते हैं. Okay, now next, the difference between odop and salad is that the odop is an important course and it is always the first course. It is simulating dish, although is not served as any other courses. Salad can be served as the first course in a small quantity. It can also be served as a salad course or as the accompaniment with the entree and the roast courses. Okay, what is entree? Entree is the serving the main course. Now, as the food must process piquancy and the realized value, in some foods flavor has to be developed with the marinades, spices and the herbs. Salad should be cold, crisp, piquant, colorful, well seasoned and attractive. They supply nutrient to the dishes, especially when they are made of fresh fruit. Vegetable preparation involve working. Okay. Now we know about the other way to serving the salad. The first is the main dishes, second is the salad course, third is a salad as a accompaniment. Now there is a different types of salad we have a simple salad, we have a compound salad, we have salad as a now the first is a okay, we know about the other way to serving the salad. The first is as the main dishes. It is substantial enough as a main dish. One of the body building foods such as meat, fish, egg and cheeses form the base. The value and the richness of this salad are adequate to satisfy the normal appetiters. Salad course. Second point is a salad course. The salad are served as a separate course following the heavy course. Light and the refreshing provide the change from the main course and the refresh the appetizer. Okay, so what we understand is that salad I can use as the main course, we can use as the main dish, we can use as a accompaniment. Okay, so now the next point, the salad is served with the main course and the provide relies with the main course food. Salad are the two types, plain and the simple salad, and the compound and the composite salad. Now the first is a simple salad. This can be subdivided into the green salad and the salad in season, which is served raw and cooked, consisting usually of a single king of vegetable as a base, one or two ingredient in a small quantity. Now here we saw this is the variety of the salad. This is the salad. Okay, salad is the combination of as usually I said, like salad is a composition of mixed fruit, meat, oil, everything will mix together, that is called salad. Now the salad component. What are the salad component? The first is a foundation, second is body, third is a garnish and dressing. Okay, now we understand the salad component. Sorry. Now foundation is the base ingredient. Foundation is the base ingredient of a salad. Leafy vegetables such as Romania, Boston, iceberg lettuce often serve as the salad foundation. Used whole and cut into the siphonade. Siphonade is a roughly cut of vegetable. The lettuce leaves provide a base for other salad ingredients, specially prepared vegetable or fruits. such as julienne of red pepper or a poached and the sliced pear sometimes function as a salad foundation. Now the salad component is a body. The first point is a body. What is body? Main ingredient of a salad make up its body. The body creates the salad identity and the often gives the salad its name. Garden fresh vegetable for the example. Form the body of a garden salad. The body of protein salad might be meat, poultry, fish or legumes. The salad component, the second point is garnish. Contribute to salad visual appeal very often to its flavor. A garnish should be colorful, edible and the same temperature as a salad itself. Now the next is a most important. The garnishing should be simple so that it does not overpower the presentation of the salad. Next point is common salad garnishes include herbs, hard cooked eggs, olives, fruits, cheese and nuts. Some salads such as fruit salad do not require garnishing and the dressing. Now the salad component, the next point is a dressing. Dressing is a sauce that the complement the salad flavor, sometimes binds the salad ingredient together. Salad dressing fall into three groups. The first is vinaigrette, cream style or fatty, and the second is a simple. In vinaigrette there is a temporary emulsion. The next point is cream and style or fatty, the permanent emulsion, and the next is a simple oil and vinegar flavored oils. Okay, these are the points. Before we start salad dressing, I just say some example about this simple salad. Simple salad, this can be subdivided into green salad. Salad is a salad in season which is served raw or cooked, consisting usually the single kind of vegetable as a base. One or two ingredient in a small quantity are used for decoration of as garnish. Example of some of the these are some example. The celery and the cabbage and cucumber, the name of salad. Ingredient in the celery, there is a chopped celery and the dressing should be vinaigrette. The cabbage, the name of salad is cabbage and the ingredient is julienne of cabbage. Just like compound salad, they are most elaborated salad that consist of more than one ingredient. They are divided into four groups. The first group is fish based, second group is vegetable based, and the third group is poultry and game or meat based, and the fourth is fruit based. The first is the salad has four basic parts underline the base, body, dressing and the garnishing. While composing a salad, each parts play an important role, and if the part is omitted or done poorly, the finished salad will not be up to the standard. The first is a base. The underline the usually the leafy vegetables such as lettuce of different kind of Romania and the cause watercress, cabbage, etc. There are not many variety cultivated and only one variety is used. The tossed salad do not have a underline. They are piled in a balls. The main purpose is to keep the plate and the bowl from looking bare and to be provide contrast color on other parts of salad. These are base. The base, see, here is the foundation. This one I try to explain. The foundation is another name is the base. Now second point is body. Okay, this is the most important part of salad. The salad gets its name from the ingredient that is used for the body. These parts gets the most attention and its appearance is enhanced by decoration. The ingredient used have a balance of flavor and taste. The body consists of broken salad grains, Fruits in the module aspic, sliced cooked potatoes, raw cabbage, tomato stuffed with a tuna fish, chicken or meat dices. Now, next is garnish. See, the main purpose of garnish to add the eye appeal to the finished product, but in the some cases improve the taste and form border. It may be part of body or it can be additional item that will blend and complement. If the garnish is simple, it will attract and not distract. The dressing is usually served now. Now here is the salad component is dressing. Okay. Now I try to explain. Now dressing is usually served with all type of salad. It adds flavor, provides food value, help digestion, improve and appearance. Sorry. Dressing is the liquid or semi-liquid form, a mixture of oil, vinegar, seasoning or eggs or cream. The basics dressing are mayonnaise, vinaigrette or French dressing, lemon dressing, mustard cream and the mustard dressing. Okay. Now the mayonnaise dressing is also known as the basic cold sauce and has a numerous derivative. It is used for the cold dishes. The coating of fish, meat, egg. Now the vinaigrette dressing can be made in the French, English and American style. Okay. The first is the French. There is a three types of vinaigrette. Okay. The first is a French, English and American. So in a French, what we do, we take 3 part of oil and 1 part of vinegar and mix together. That is called French dressing. In the English dressing, what we do, we took 1 part of oil and 2 part of vinegar, mustard and seasoning. Now the next point is American. Equal quantity of vinegar and oil, seasoning and sugar, that is called vinegar dressing. Okay. Now next is a lemon dressing. Lemon dressing is the same as the vinaigrette, using lemon juice instead of vinegar. That is called lemon dressing. Okay. Now here we can see emulsion, a mixture of 2 unmixable ingredients, that is called emulsion. Emulsification is another method of thickening sauce. Emulsion are made by mixing 2 or more liquid ingredients that normally do not combine with the aid of emulsifying agent. 3 kinds of emulsion is there. The first is a permanent, second is a semi-permanent and third is a temporary. First is permanent. A permanent emulsion usually lasts several days or more. Okay, example mayonnaise. The semi-permanent emulsion lasts a shorter period of time than a permanent emulsion, usually several hours. The example of hollandaise. Next is a temporary. A temporary emulsion lasts the shortest period of time, usually only several minutes. A temporary emulsion is classified as such because it does not contain an emulsifying agent. Example vinaigrette. Now the salad dressing, vinaigrette dressing. This is called temporary as well. Is the temporary emulsion of oil and vinegar. The mixture is temporary because oil and vinegar have the natural tendency to separate. Next is a cream style or fatty. Is a permanent emulsion of creamy dressing such as mayonnaise, yogurt, cream or cheese paste. Next is salad dressing. This first is a simple dressing. As usually I told you, the simplest salad dressing are not emulsion or blended mixture. They are the simple liquid that contribute moisture and the flavor to salad. Second is a lemon juice, or on its own freshly squeezed lemon juice is an acidic dressing that gives a tang to salad. Olive oil more flavor than the vegetable oil. Olive oil is a fruity aromatic dressing when used alone on a salad. Flavored vinegar flavored with the fruit, herbs or garlic are popular dressing because they added with flavor to salad but no fat. Next is a salad green. A variety of greens are available used in the salad, although are very leafy vegetable. Not all green more than tender greens such as arugula and the butterhead, and the preferred over greens such as collard and the chard. The required cooking to make them more palatable. Baby variety of standard greens not usually used in a salad such as beet greens and the mustard greens also make excellent addition. Next point, the salad green can be classified into two general categories. The first is the mild green and the flavor adding greens. The second point is flavor adding greens can be either spicy or bitter. The types of salad, just a minute. Here we types of salad greens. The first is a traditional greens. Okay, the first is traditional greens have a mild flavor, can use the themselves or combined with other greens. Second is a flavor adding greens classified as a green, although they may be red, yellow, brown or white. Now the flavor adding greens is done. Now the herbs and other specialty item. The first is a radicho. These are a type of herbs. Okay, guys. The cabbage like a plant which is slightly bitter. Red leaf add color and flavor to fresh. The first next is edible flower. Add unusual flavor dashes of bring bright color and the interesting texture to the salad. Next is a these are the type of salad. The first is a oak leaf. When you do the training in a hotel, when you complete your training or even you go for the job, HOT program or any program, you saw all the leafy vegetable. The first is a oak leaf, second is a lolo rosso, third is a romania, next is a green ice. These are the salad greens. Butterhead lettuce, escorella, rose leaf, spinach, salad greens, the mizua, sorrel, dandelion, arugula, radicho, Belgian endive, iceberg lettuce. Next is a Boston lettuce, frise, limestone lettuce, sorry, curly endive, salad green. Next is a mushroom and grace. That's why my maize cleaning greens. How to clean the leafy vegetable? The first see the point. Soak the green for the several minutes using a cold water bath in a bowl, or use a sanitized sink if the cleaning is a large amount of green. The second point, lift the green out of water with care and drain them a colander. Next point is a gently pat dry with a paper towel. And the next is last point, as an alternative use the salad spinner and the spin dry wet greens. Okay, these are the these are the technique used for the cleaning the leafy vegetable. In a hotel you saw there. Salad dressing. A dressing is both a sauce and a seasoning. As such, as it should complement the flavor and the texture of the salad ingredient, not dominate them. Preparing greens. Separate the leaf or the submerge them in a cold water several times to rinse off all dirt and grit. Lift greens out of the water and dry the leaves thoroughly with a paper towel. Cut or tear the green into the bite-sized pieces. Storing greens. Keep greens in their original packaging. Store greens 3 to 4 degrees above freezing. Keep greens away from ripening fruits. Type of salad is green salad, side salad, compost salad, desert salad. Okay, in a green salad there is a leafy greens. In a side salad there is a made from vegetable, potatoes, grains, pasta, legumes. Compost salad are made by the carefully arranging item on the plate rather than tossing them together. Next is a dessert salad. Salads served as a dessert are often sweet and usually contain fruits, nuts or gelatin. dressing for dessert salad may incorporate cream or liquor. Type of salad by serving. The appetizer salad served as the first dish of the course of before the entree. A complement salad served with the main dish or entree usually made from pasta, legume and potatoes. Main course salad served as the main dishes. Separate course salad served after the main dish. Dessert salad served as the dessert usually contain fruit and syrup. Type of salad, there is a simple salad, composed salad and the tossed salad. Okay, in simple salad by method preparation, where we use the method of preparation. The simple salad, there is a leafy greens. Composed salad are made by carefully arranging item on the plate rather than the tossing them together. Tossed salad, the salad that the chef would combine all ingredients in a bowl with the dressing. Okay guys, so here you learn what are the types of salad, how we prepare how we clean the vegetable, how we make the dressings. Okay, so here some example I try to explain the example like composite salad. Okay, what in composite salad there is a tossed salad. The example of composed salad, the coleslaw, oriental, ada, these are the type of composed salad. The meat-based salad is the caramel, anglaise, laperouse, bagratin. Okay guys, so in this topic we know about salad and the salad preparation and the type of salad and how to clean the salad. So in the next topic we learn the different type of salad, how they work and how we make the salad. In the next topic we learn this thing. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much.